So this is Saturday at the Skoolie Swarm. And you can see we got a lot of buses behind me, but look at the buses that we got here. Supposedly, there's only 39 out of the about 60 that are expected. So, I don't know. Seems like there's more than that. If I get down here around the corner, you'll be able to see just more. And if you're from the last video, that's Rose's bus that we were painting there, doing some touch up and finish up the roof, get that all done. And you can see down this section just how many more there are. So obviously this youth camp we're at gives wagon rides. So what do you do at Skoolie Swarm on Sunday is we got all the buses coming out here and lining up for a photo op. Basically, I believe we're making a giant peace sign. Hello.